Alright, want to make a quick video, show you how I got this lower power steering line out of this 2008 F150 4.6. Pretty sure the rack's the same in all of these trucks, but anyway, like everybody else, that bottom line was frozen in there, and instead of fighting with it in the truck, I pulled the rack out because it's only a quick removal of the outer tie rod end or inner tie rod ends, and then unmount the brackets. There's some other brackets that go right here that hold this up into the truck. But so anyway, this is the line that gets stuck. It runs up to the hard line in the front of your truck that's all oddly shaped. You can see it sitting over there. Anyway, that freezes off in there, it froze off in there, and it broke. Here's what the tip looked like once I finally got it out. And that right there is actually that piece right there. So that whole thing was broke off flush into this here. So almost bought a new rack, and I decided, you know what, let's drill it, see what happens. So I actually drilled it. I used a tap. This is a M8 by 125 pitch, and I essentially just tapped it. Then I threw this bolt that I had laying around into that hole, hit it with the impact, and pushed itself right on out. I did have to drill it out a little bit more to get the very final piece out. As you can see, that final piece is right here, and that was stuck all the way down into the truck. So now that it's out, I'm going to clean it up a little bit and then throw it back in there. If it leaks, not out anything, I just got to put a new rack in. Otherwise, seems like a pretty quick, successful fix for this common problem with this damn truck.